Alright, so I just bought a car. I'm going to a supply shop, gotta get some hardware, and going to pick up the car. Alright, so here's the car. It's a BMW M20. It has some wheels that I don't like. It has a few scratches, but it's not bad. There's a bit of rust on the calipers. This is the damage. It has not been driven for like 4 months. Alright, so someone did this. Oh, that looks so much better. Alright, so we got this in the mail. Alright. An extra fuse. And this is the charger. Alright, we need to put a fuse in. Oh, it's not. It's not assembled. Oh, it's assembled. Alright. How do we turn it on? No, wait. Clamps only when powered. No, it's not. Nice little spark. Oh, it's only 10 amps and it's not changeable, so it's only 10 amps all the time. That's alright though. But it's so quiet. Alright, it works. Alright, so I'm working on it. It's calling in Germany.
Hello, good afternoon.
Scammers. I took off the manifold, intake manifold. Now here's the high pressure fuel pump. It's bad, so I'm changing it. Gotta take off all the fuel pressure lines, everything. There's a lot of work here. Yes, I'm working on it. I don't have a tripod, so I cannot film any of this. Alright, so it's been a long day working. Tomorrow maybe I'll get a tripod or something to film something that I'm doing there, but today I kinda got it fixed, but it's like I took it apart and I'm taking out the old high pressure fuel pump and putting the new one in, and I did not put in the new one because it didn't fit, so it's back there. I got the new one, the other one actually, so I had to change it, but yeah, there was a lot of work, although the parts are really expensive, but it's alright. Alright, so I just got the pump out. Here's the pump. Today's my second day working with this thing. And the new one is in right there. So now just assembling everything, putting it all back together. It's gonna take like 3-4 hours, but it's not bad. I was taking everything off because I didn't know the exact order how everything's put together, so now I know everything. The only problem I have right now, I have one bolt that's fallen down. I'll part that, everything's good. Alright, so time is that right now. I just got back from the city. I was fixing my car there. It's all fixed now. I got the keys right here. It's home finally. So I'm gonna get it in here and clean it up a little. So first I gotta get this tractor out of here. Parking thing, not trusting it though. Alright, so I rebuilt the engine on it. Vacuum all the carpets. Alright, so there's no carpets in the back. And yeah, this was the worst. Got some oil stains. That's alright, I'll get it out. Alright, so let's work on this car more. The next day I was driving it around a little bit for today. It drives pretty good, but it has like some scratches in. The headlights are foggy. I don't like that. This one has like condensation in it. I don't like that also. I need to fix this because this is like from the sun, like oxidized. I need to clean the windows. I have got like something, I think it's called like headlight restoration kit or something. So let's start with these headlights. Start on the right one because this one seems to be a little worse. So I got this thing. It's DIY headlight restoration kit. So it says like from this yellow it makes it shiny. Why did all the windows just open? Did I press something? Why did all the windows open? Oh look, they're closing now. Alright, I guess the key opens the windows, whatever. Alright, let's try using this. So, oh, it also says like before and after, like it's brighter. It doesn't block the light. This little bottle. Shake well before use. Pour onto sponge. Rub gently with force. Remove stains and minor scratch. Wipe off with the dry clean span. So I need a sponge. Alright, let's get one. So I got a little sponge that hasn't been used before. Why isn't it poured out? Is there something? Of course there is. There's a plug in it. Alright. Oh. Let's try that. No, I should have done a before and after, like a photo or something, because if it's a video, I mean, it's the same as I'm looking at it like right now. Can't see any difference. Maybe I'll see a difference if it's like dry. Oh, look, the sponge is dirty. All right. You know what? You know, I'm not super happy. I think I should buy with the sandpaper. That should be better. I don't know if this will work. Okay, let's see what happens. Somebody put this aftermarket stupid thing. Not really, not really. I think this product is a piece of junk. Maybe it's cleaned up, but I think WD-40 does a better job than this. Don't buy this crap. Alright, so doing the back ones now. I got a new technique with this. Well, the back ones aren't that bad, but I'm still doing them. So now I put this thing on, like this liquid on the sponge, and I just like rub it with the sponge, and I just like keep rubbing it, like in circles. And that seems to work better. I mean, these back ones don't they don't look bad. Looks very shiny. Let's do some other things. And I got this. This is a polisher for just the body of the car. And I got this big scratch. It doesn't look big on camera, but this scratch looks pretty big. So my goal is, I see this is like down to the metal, but this part, it's not. So using this, if I can get this out, I think it's possible. Put this masking tape on, and I polished this side, but this side I didn't, so I'll see the difference. You know what? There is a very big difference. And when you touch it, this makes sound when you touch it, and this doesn't. Alright, let's do the whole boot, and eventually the whole car. Alright, so I'm pretty much done with this. I'll continue this tomorrow. But essentially, I'm gonna do the whole car, so yeah. Alright, so today I'm cleaning up the windows. I already did the front glass and the other side yesterday. Today I'm just finishing this side up. I'm using these, what are they called? Newsletters? No, newspapers. Alright, they're clean. Okay, all of these are done. Now for the hardest one. It's done, so now I'm gonna wash the body of the car. Got some boiling water. But these are active foam something wash thing. I don't really know the ratio I have to put in, but it's right. So first I'm gonna rinse it off. This is hot water. Actually boiling water. It's nice to put hands there. It says 25, whatever. Maybe that wasn't too much. Oh, this is bubbling up. Look at that. No, it's too cold to do anything more. This is the problem I have. See, this is ice. And all of this is icy. These are like chunks of ice. So there's also condensation in this headlight, so I don't have a new headlight, but I do have an idea. Okay, so I just also noticed that this air intake, it's like leaking air or something, and it like makes a air sound. So I need to find like a O-ring. Yeah, I need to find an O-ring. I got 2 of these. Alright, so it did go in this groove, and this goes on that. Alright, that should work. That should work. Okay, I pressed this on, and it's like really tight now. Okay, this seems all fine. Okay, so I also put like a heat insulator, so the heat gets trapped inside the headlight and doesn't like get out, I guess. I'm looking at this exhaust, and it's, see, I touched it a bit with the foam with my, like, when I was washing the car. It's shiny and looking like new. This thing works. I like this. Okay, so really important thing, all your car like maintenance stuff, cleaners and everything, they should, like polishers, they should be stored somewhere where it's warm, because it gets like, it's like it separates into like two parts, and then it just basically doesn't work. So if you have an expensive polisher, it doesn't matter if it's expensive, any polisher, never keep it outside below freezing at least, because it's gonna get ruined. Alright, so this morning it's -8. I'm gonna have the last drive with this car. It's being put up for sale. The headlights look beautiful. No fog at all. No, for -8, that wasn't bad at all. I'm gonna warm the engine up for a bit. I like these BMWs, they have like a really stiff steering wheel, and that's good when you're driving fast, but when you're driving slow, it can be annoying. This thing is mint. So a gravel road is a really good way to test the car suspension. You can hear like a ball joint or something. If it's bad, you can hear like a knocking. And this car is like stiff. This car has no problems with the lower end, I mean like the suspension and everything. Yeah, so now I'm gonna get on the pavement. On the pavement it's really easy to tell if the car's wheels are balanced well. Let's see if there's like any mud that's stuck on the rims of the wheels. The car starts shaking all over the place, and you usually notice that pretty quickly. So I'll see how that is. Alright, so I'm driving it on the pavement right now, and it is smooth. The wheel is straight, you don't have even to hold the wheel. Anyone who buys this car is gonna like it. I like it. Alright, so I'm gonna end this video right here. This car is being put up for sale. It drives really nice. It's a good car, I like driving it. It has these big 19-inch wheels. Everything works. Alright, on to the next project.